I have here with me our player of the game, Joan Bunag, in their 8th straight win. Joan Bunag, tell me what is the key to winning today's game?
Ang ano namin, ginawa lang namin yung mga dapat namin gawin. Nagtulong-tulong lang kami sa loob ng court. Enjoy lang namin yung game nito.
Most importantly talaga is mag-enjoy, and we have the last 2 remaining games for the preliminary rounds. Ano pa yung pwede namin i-expect from AFP?
Siguro hindi kailangan namin hindi magpabaya. Dito na kami sa iba sa number 1. Kailangan hindi kami magpabaya para kailangan pa namin i-improve. Madami pa kami kailangan i-improve. Madami pa kami kailangan gawin para mabanti kami sa semifinals.
At yan po ang aabangan natin. Meron po ba kayong mga gustong batiin at pasalamatan?
Binabati ko si Coach Tina Salak, si Christine, si Sarah Jane, yung mga kasama ko sa military.
And because you are our player of the game, you have a special gift pack from Black Mamba. Congratulations again to our player of the game, Joan Bunag. Balik po sa inyo.